Welcome again in English language class for grade 3 and grade 4. How are you for today? Ready to start with me? Okay, we are still in Unit 7, Lesson 4 with another topic. Okay, let us start checking up your course books. Now let us check up the box for primary 4, people's book and the activity book. Today we will start with Unit 7. Unit 7, okay. Prepare yourself. For primary 3, please prepare yourself, your people's book and your activity book. We will start with Unit 7. Okay, Lesson 4 with another topic. Prepare yourself. As usual, we will check up the map of the unit. Okay, here we have the list of the lessons. Unit 7. The title of Unit 7 is At the Shop. Remember, At the Shop. This is the title of the unit. Today we are going to talk about another topic in Lesson 4. Lesson 4, it will be on page 110, 111. So we will start with the first page, 110. Okay, we are going to talk about animals, but they are not a pet. They are not a pet. Okay, they are not pets. Okay, so what kind of animal we are going to talk about? As I said, we will start with the people's book. Just to remind you, we have Unit 7, Lesson 4. The title of the lesson is Wild World. Wild World. It will be on page 110. 110. So please open page 110. Now look at the first activity. Listen and find. Number 1, listen and find. So you are going to listen to Remus describing, okay, Remus describing some types of animals. They are wild world animals, okay? And then you are going to look at the picture of the zoo. Now you are going to listen and find. But before that, we are going to check up these pictures. Okay, let us start with the first one. Remember, this is the title of the lesson, Wild World. This is the first picture. Do you know this animal? Do you see it before? It is what? If you want, say it in Arabic. It's a monkey. Very good. Monkey. Okay, so this is a monkey. Jump on the tree. Now look at the second picture. It's a bird. It can fly and talk. So it is parrot. Parrot. Okay, here we have two animals. First one is monkey. Monkey. The second one is parrot. Parrot. This bird can talk like a human, like us. Okay, let us check up the title of our lesson, Wild World. Wild World. Okay, so remember, we are still talking about wild world. So the third animal is crocodile. Crocodile. The fourth one is lion. Lion. Both of them are dangerous. Okay, both of them are dangerous. Now look at this animal. It is elephant. Elephant. Can you read it? Elephant. Read it by yourself. Elephant. Very good. Okay, let us check up the last picture of these wild world animals. This is the last one. Shark. very dangerous, this one. Shark. So we have elephant and shark. Elephant and shark. These are the last pairs of pictures. Okay, remember, we are still talking about what? Wild world. Wild world. Now look at this picture. This is Reem. Reem is on safari. She is looking at the animals now through her binoculars. Okay. She tries to collect some information about each animal using the binoculars. Using what? The binoculars. So why she used the binoculars? To look at the animals. To look at the animals.
I am on safari.
Some notes about
I
each
wrote
animal.
notes in my book about the
now
animals.
listen and then try to find the animals
First,
she
I
is
saw a
talking
very
about.
big animal called a elephant. It is grey and has big ears and a long nose. Then I saw a monkey. It has hands like me and can climb trees. Next, I saw a carrot. It is very pretty and is blue and yellow. It can fly. Then I saw a lion. It is big and dangerous. It wants to eat me. After that, I went to the river and saw an crocodile. It has a very big mouth with lots of teeth.
Okay, remember we are still talking about wild animals. Wild animals. So please close your course book. Don't look at this page and then just listen to me. Listen to my question. This is the first question now. Okay. How many animals are there in this picture? How many animals are there?
I wrote notes in my book
Six
about
animals?
the animals.
Very good. 6 animals.
First,
okay, can
I
you
saw
name
a
these
very
animals to
big
me now?
Animal called an elephant.
Parrot.
It is grey and has big ears and a long
Monkey.
nose. Then
Crocodile.
I saw a monkey. It has
Lion.
hands like
Very
me
good.
and can climb trees.
Elephant and shark.
Next,
very good.
I saw a
shark.
carrot.
These are the wild
It is
animals
very
that we are talking
and
about
is blue
now.
and yellow.
Okay. Tell
It can
me,
fly.
which animal is the green? Which animal
Then
is
I
the
saw
green?
a lion.
Don't look at this picture.
It is big and dangerous. It wants
Very
to
good.
eat me.
It is the crocodile. Very good. It is the crocodile.
After that,
Now,
I went to
another
the river
question for you.
and saw an
Which
crocodile.
animal is yellow and
It has a very big mouth with
yellow
lots of
and
teeth.
brown? Yellow and brown. Now, let us revise some words. Wild. What does that mean, wild? It means what? Look at here. Look at this definition. Here we have wild. It means what? Can you read it with me? It means an animal is living in their natural world. In their natural world. Okay, they are not living at the zoo. And it's not a pet. Okay, and it's not a pet like parrots or cats or rabbits or domesticated animal like dogs or horses. So they are living at the natural world. Okay. Remember, wild animals. We are talking about wild animals. They are living. Look at the second activity. Now, listen first and say the rhyme. Listen first and say the rhyme. So you are going to listen first and say the rhyme. What is the title of the rhyme? The elephant. The elephant. So listening first and say the rhyme. Remember?
The elephant.
As I said, you are going to
The
listen
elephant
first
goes
and say
like
the rhyme.
this
Listen
and that.
and Say the rhyme. So what is the title of the
It's
rhyme?
very big
The elephant. Look at here.
and
The elephant.
very fat.
Now, look at this picture. Here we have
It
the
has
mother
no fingers.
and the baby elephant. The
It
mother
has
and
no
the baby
toes.
elephant. Now, let us start
But
reading first,
goodness
and then we are
me,
going to listen.
what a nose!
An elephant goes like this, and now please open your activity book. Unit 7 at the shop, lesson 4. This is the title, Wild Wallet. So open page 110. Open page 110. Please, we are still talking about the same title, Wild Wallet. Now look at here. Look at the first activity in your activity book. Label the parrot. Label the parrot. Here we have the list of the words. Okay, let us start checking these words. These are the body parts. Wing, wing, just only one. Wing, body, body, tail, tail, peak, this is a peak, peak, leg, leg, and foot, foot. Okay, so we have here the wing of the bird, it's a parrot, the body of the parrot, the peak of the parrot, then we have a tail, maybe it's for a lion, leg, it's the leg of the elephant, then we have here the foot of the lion. Okay, let us check up what we are going to label. To label what? The picture of the parrot. Now look at here. This is the right answers. So on the left side, we have what? Peak and leg. Peak and leg. On the right side, we have wing, body, tail, foot. Wing, body, tail. Now look at the second activity. Look and try it. So you are going to look first at some pictures. These are pictures of animals. And then you are going to write. Write what? Where does it live? Where does it live? Okay. So this is the main question. You are going to answer this question. Where does it live? Okay. So how I can answer this question? We are going together with me. We are going to classify. Classify what? Classify the animals according to the place where it lives. According to the place where it lives. Some animals live in the water, like fish. Others, let us start our activity to classify the animals, okay, according to the place where does it live. Okay, so here we have two ovals. Look at the top of these ovals. Here we have two words. On land, in water. On land, in water. Okay, now we are going to decide which animals can walk on land and which animals can swim in the water, or which animals can do both of them. Okay, remember, some animals can walk on a land and swim in the water. These animals should be written, their names here in the middle. Okay, here in the middle. If they can walk on a land and swim in a water, write their names here in the middle. Okay, so remember we have three areas to classify the animals according to the place where does they live. So here we have on a land and in a water. In the middle, this is the intersection areas in the middle, in a water and on a land. Now let us check up the picture of these animals. This is the first picture. We have many pictures. Frog. Frog. Okay, where does it live? Is it in a water or on a land or in between? Just decide. Then we will check together. Crocodile. Crocodile. Where does it live? Monkey. Monkey. Remember, monkey can climb trees. Okay, where does it live? Lion. Lion. Okay. Do you think lion can swim in the water? Shark. Shark. It's a big fish. Shark. Now check up with me the right answers. Okay, remember the three areas: on a land, in a water, and in between. Okay, so this is the first animal, frog, in between, land and in a water. Then we have crocodile. The crocodile can walk on the land and can swim in a water. Frog can walk on a land and can swim in the water. Monkey climbs tree, can't swim in the water. Lion can't swim in the water. Okay. We have here shark, can't walk on a land. Now look at the third activity. Write your animal rhyme. Write your animal rhyme. This is your task. Okay, you are going to write your own rhyme. So please prepare yourself and bring your pencils with you. And then let us start. Write your animal rhyme. Remember, we are going to write, as I said, but we are going to write our animal rhyme. Okay. Let us ask Omar to help us. Omar used these words to write his own rhyme. So let us use the same list of the words. This is the list of the words. Here we have, in this list, we have 4 groups of words. We have 4 groups of words. This is the first one, the second, the third, and the fourth. Okay, group. Let us discover what are these words. The first one is animal. Is animal. So you are going to choose your own animal. Remember, animal rhyme. This is the title. So you are going to choose one of these animals to write your own rhyme. Monkey, monkey, rabbit, fish, and cat. This is the first group. So remember, the first group are animals. Now look at the second group. Descriptions. Descriptions. Here we have some words to describe these animals. Funny, funny, soft, soft, small, small, big, big, and happy, happy. All of these words are descriptions. Descriptions. Okay, we will use these words to describe our animals. Now check up with me the third group of pictures, the third group of words. Sorry. Look at here. Body parts. Body parts. Let us discover the body parts that they that we are going to use. Tail, beak, wing, nose. Okay, these are the words that we are going to use to describe our animal. Okay, to write our animal Ryan. Now, check up with me the last group of pictures. What do you think? These are colors. Colors. Okay. The first one is, can you read it? Red, green, black, white, orange, and pink. And pink. This is the last color. Now, let us check up the rhyme. This is the first sentence, the second, the third. Now, clap your hands for yourself. This is the end of our lesson. We will meet, inshallah, with lesson 5, unit 7.